Yo mga idol, bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating video ay may papakilala lang ako sa inyong isang sports betting app. Ito nga ay ang 1xBet. Meron dito PBA, NBA at iba pang sports and casino games. Napakadali lang mag-register mga idol, gamitin lamang ang ating promo code na Big Game at pwede tayong makatanggap ng up to 7,000 bonus sa ating first cash in pa lamang yan mga idol. Sa mga gusto mag-register ay ilalagay ko ang link sa comment section at sa description box below. Maraming salamat mga idol.
Side shot. Finally, nagsang over at the other end. Patay inabot. Clean up job by Wislu is good.
Now they...
Mike on the move. Will step to the left. Bang! So mula nung first quarter, kung saan apat lang play. Pero nakakita ng putas. Ray Marose. Excellent look.
competition, Indonesia has not scored less than 70 points. But now, Indonesia's game, Indonesia borrowing a page from our playbook.
Kobe drops it off. Tolomia with West.
And here's a breakaway, and oh,
From the MABA Stadium sa Kuala Lumpur on hand to oversee all of the action. As Pilipinas trying to stay patient. No count on that alley-oop. Kesa nakunin mo yung...
ito na naman!
There you
Ito na
go,
naman!
Kobe! Making Milo get champion energy every day.
Watch it again. Kobe, paminsan, nafe-fake din niya yung mga kasama niya.
Corniawan
Oh, he's
from the corner. They go to the other side. Tolomia. Bang!
as though he couldn't fit into the system. And there he goes again. Open the door wide open para sa kanya.
Since 1991, Gilas
Ito na naman.
nanalo.
What about...
Dagdag na yun, power move of the quarter atid sa atin ng Cobra Energy Drink. Tunay na lakas!
We'll be getting a collection of gold medals today. I think
It was Kobe.
one free throw? Or was it two?
I think they waved it off.
29 points against Myanmar. Then we scored 98 against Malaysia. Oh, that's an outside shot. Asian Games competition.
Step back three.
Oh, yes!
Everybody with smiles on their faces at Yuru has done. Coach Jong, another championship in his storied career.
Oh yeah, you know me. I got only a path. I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win.